This Argos support video will demonstrate how to remove, clean, refit and replace your vacuum cleaner's filter to ensure your product runs efficiently. Not cleaning the filter frequently is often the cause of problems with your machine. First, release the dirt container, detach the filter and tap over a bin to remove any dirt and debris. Wash the filter under running water and leave to dry for at least 24 hours. Ensure the filters are completely dry before refitting into the vacuum cleaner. After time, the filter will become clogged and need replacing. To purchase replacement filters, please refer to the user manual. Release the screws attached to the filter and remove the filter block. Insert the replacement filter block. Replace the screws and refit the filter into the dirt container. Finally, reassemble. Following these simple steps for cleaning your filters on a monthly basis, as well as regular emptying and maintenance, will help to prolong the life of your machine. For further assistance, please visit argos-support.co.uk.